The Gladiator is fast becoming a flagship vehicle in Jeep's lineup, closing the gap with its iconic SUV sibling, the Wrangler. Though there is a long way to go, this truck has already gained serious recognition in the midsize pickup class, quickly rising as a top choice among buyers. In this video, we'll break down its performance, trim levels, and all the other features that make the all-new Jeep Gladiator stun everybody. Specs. The Jeep Gladiator may have narrowed down its engine lineup, but it still is an excellent performer, thanks to the trusted 3.6-liter V6. This Pentastar unit is the balanced choice for mixed rides, both off-road and in urban areas, with 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. The V6 is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, as Jeep discontinued the manual transmission. The Gladiator is the best midsize truck for towing, offering 7,700 pounds, matching the capacity of the Chevy Colorado that's been holding the leading spot for a long time. The truck returns 17 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway, which isn't impressive at all. The fastest configuration of the Gladiator can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.5 seconds. Again, it doesn't seem impressive, but the result is actually not bad for a truck built more for off-roading. The V6 is the only available power plant at the moment. Surprising that the 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine didn't make a return for the new Gladiator given its efficiency and power. Many off-road enthusiasts were also hoping for the 3-liter eco-diesel to remain, as it offered great torque and fuel economy, but Jeep has officially retired this option. The V8 wasn't on the table either, as it's reserved exclusively for the Wrangler's high-performance variants. The biggest gap in the Gladiator's lineup is the need for an alternative drivetrain. Fans have been eagerly awaiting a new engine option, and it seems like their patience is about to pay off. Jeep CEO Antonio Filosa has confirmed that the truck will soon join the brand's growing list of 4xe plug-in hybrid models. Although specific details on the release date and specs haven't been revealed yet, the Gladiator 4xe is going to be a game changer. Looking at the rest of Jeep's lineup, particularly the Wrangler 4xe and Grand Cherokee 4xe, we can make guesses about what the Gladiator 4xe will bring. It's almost certain the hybrid truck will feature a system built around the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, tuned to produce 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. Trim levels. If you need a truck for off-road towing or everyday driving, the Gladiator will be there to offer a proper configuration. The entry-level sport trim is the most straightforward and functional setup. It's built for truckers looking for legendary off-road capabilities without too many fancy options. 17-inch steel wheels are standard. Open-air driving is also available thanks to the removable doors and roof. The sport trim is equipped with skid plates and tow hooks, making it off-road ready right out of the gate. The updated infotainment system now shines from a 12.3-inch screen on every trim level. Sport S builds on the base Sport with more comfort and convenience, such as alloy wheels, power windows and locks, and remote keyless entry. The Nighthawk is where things get stealthy. This trim adds special blacked out accents from the wheels to the grille and badging, giving it a more aggressive urban look. You'll also find premium LED lighting for enhanced visibility and a sleeker appearance. Inside, the Gladiator Nighthawk features premium cloth upholstery and an enhanced audio system. Willys grade brings back the memories of Jeep's military heritage. Highlights are 17-inch black rims, 32-inch mud tires, and heavy-duty shock absorbers. The Willys gives you a glimpse of what to expect from higher-level off-roaders. The Mojave is specifically engineered for high-speed desert runs. The reinforced frame and additional skid plates ensure that the Gladiator with this trim can handle the demands of such adventures. It also features a specially tuned suspension with Fox and Turtle bypass shocks and hydraulic jounce bumpers for smooth landings after big jumps. Inside, the Mojave comes with sportier seating. The Mojave X adds a touch of luxury, such as leather-trimmed seats, a heated steering wheel, an Alpine premium audio system, and advanced driver aid goodies like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. If you need a configuration for serious off-roading, the Rubicon is the go-to trim. The Rock Track 4x4 system is standard with a locking front and rear differentials and a disconnecting front sway bar. Unique off-road suspension tuning gives the Rubicon superior ground clearance and traction. Like the Mojave X, the Rubicon X inserts premium options to the base off-roader. Additional sound insulation makes the ride quieter even on rough trails. Optional packages. If you want to upgrade any of the trim levels, there's also a variety of optional packages for the new Gladiator. For those looking to maximize towing capacity, the Max Tow Bundle is a must-have, with upgraded axle ratios and heavy-duty cooling that make hauling heavier loads more efficient. The Trailer Tow and Auxiliary Switch Group is an excellent option if you're pulling trailers. It adds a Class 4 receiver hitch and a set of auxiliary switches, perfect for controlling winches and aftermarket lights. Younger buyers will like the features of the Technology Group, especially the advanced version of the Uconnect system. The premium edition of the Tech Bundle packs the truck with extra gadgets. The Active Safety Group prioritizes security with features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross path detection, LED headlamps, and fog lamps. The Cargo Group with Trail Rail system brings adjustable tie-downs for enhanced cargo management, as well as the versatile Trail Rail system, making it easier to organize and secure gear for off-road adventures. The Steel Bumper Bundle is another off-road friendly option, providing heavy-duty bumpers that add durability and protection. Some buyers will want a more luxurious Gladiator experience, which leads to the Convenience Bundle and Premium Package. Leather upholstery and advanced climate control and premium audio systems are some of the options you're getting to pair with the legendary off-road prowess. Off-road Capability. Let's talk a bit more about the off-road performance of the Jeep Gladiator. The truck deserves it. The competition is tough, but the Gladiator should be one of our top choices for adventures. Built on Jeep's legendary 4x4 architecture, the Gladiator's off-road skills are hard to match, no matter the trim you choose. With high ground clearance, impressive articulation, and a stout suspension system, the truck is engineered to tackle whatever you throw under its wheels: rough trails, rocky terrains, or muddy paths. All trim levels can surprise you with capabilities in the wilderness. For example, skid plates and 4x4 drive are standard. In combination with rock rails that are available even for the sport grade, the truck comes with solid protection for vital components. The advanced 4-wheel drive system brings peace of mind when navigating steep inclines to uneven trails. The Mojave trim performs the best in deserts and high speeds, although it could serve as a configuration for other rough terrains. The Gladiator 4xe Hybrid is not expected to become an off-road flop. Jeep is focused on maintaining trail-ready capability, not only for the truck, but also for all other vehicles. The hybrid powertrain will likely integrate seamlessly with the off-road systems thanks to its massive torque. That means better low-speed control and crawling power, making the 4xe version a strong contender for off-road enthusiasts looking to combine eco-friendliness with rugged performance. And what's also important, you can also easily upgrade the Gladiator through the aftermarket, as most Wrangler SUV parts are compatible. No other vehicle offers a wider selection of parts for customization. Colors. The color palette is refreshed for the new season. The standard paint job, bright white, comes at no additional cost, providing a clean, classic look that highlights the Gladiator's aggressive lines and tough exterior. To add a splash of color to the off-road beast, you'll have to pay extra. Jeep offers several optional paints such as 41, a military-inspired earthy tone, or clean black that blends into any environment. Anvil, a more muted gray blue, is a fan favorite that offers something unique without being too flashy. Firecracker red brings the heat with its eye-catching vibrant tone, while Granite Crystal Metallic adds a touch of sophistication with a glossy finish. Hydro Blue Pearl is an option that'll turn heads both on and off the road. A special premium hue in the palette is Fathom Blue Pearl. While the new paint selection is exciting, there is one noticeable absence. The most vibrant shade, Tuscadero Pink, is no longer available. Even without it, the color range of the new Jeep Gladiator still offers plenty of options to personalize the truck, from bold and bright to sleek and subtle. Prices. The new Jeep Gladiator is starting at $38,695 in the base Sport version. Investing a bit more opens two more options: the Sport S, priced at $41,600, and the special Nighthawk trim that comes in at $41,490. With a $45,795 price tag, Willys is a mid-range offer, and the last grade you can buy under $50,000. At the higher end, the Mojave and Rubicon trims are both priced at $51,695, while premium Mojave X and Rubicon X adds $10,000 each for a starting cost of $61,695. The much-anticipated Gladiator 4xe models with a new engine are expected to start no less than $50,000 because of the additional technology and performance enhancements that come with the plug-in hybrid system. In combination with the Mojave X and Rubicon X, we're getting a premium price which might disappoint enthusiasts. Thanks for watching and see you next time.